That's from the tour video. It's a nice sunny day. Hello, this is Arthur Miles 85 and as you can see the cats are back. Let's go and look for the other one. Jeez. This cat doesn't realise that he's on camera. Hey little guy. Cool. Here's another perspective. Oh my gosh. He's on camera. Hey, you're on camera, right? Aren't you cute? You're still on camera, right? Staring at me. What are you looking at? Wait, where's the other one? Oh my god. Say hi to the camera. Let's get a better look. Let's head back up here. Let's see. Oh, cool. Let's go and get an extra view of it. Wow.
Isaac,
Yeah?
please wear your Crocs.
Okay. Wait, where did the cat go? There it is. Don't go, please. Oh well, bye-bye. But, hey, hello. Hey, cat, over here. Oh, there it is. Hey. What is it doing? Chilling, hey? Oh my gosh.
Sheep again.
What? The shape again?
Is there?
No, there is not. Oh, there goes the cat. Hello, cat. Bye, cat. Cat, 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 yeah.